Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows security not opening on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix it guys. I'm gonna sharing 6 solution today's video. You just need to watch whole video guys. And the first thing you just want to check for update guys. If you have anything update available, you just want to update it. For that, go to search menu and type Windows Update. Click on open it. Click check for updates. If any updates available, go ahead and update it. And update after updating, you just want to restart your PC guys. And this first solution maybe work for you somebody's guys. The next solution, you want to check whether any other antivirus install on your PC. You want to know about it guys, that two security doesn't work at the same time. If you have any other security like third-party antiviruses, scanners, this problem you are facing right now, that's it guys. Let's fix it. For that, click on this arrow mark icon over here. If you have any antivirus listed over here, you just want to right click on it and select remove it. And after removing it, go to search menu and type AppWizard.cpl. AppWizard.cpl. Click on open it. Opens up uninstall program guys. So in here, if you see any other antivirus like anything you found antiviruses, you just want to right click on it and select uninstall guys. And after uninstalling all antivirus, you just want to close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. And after restarting your PC, your problem will be solved. But if you still having a problem, let's move on to the third solution guys. For that, you just want to go to search menu. We are just going to reset the Windows security application guys. For that, go to search menu and type Windows security. Right side, here is option guys, app settings. Click on it. You just need to scroll down and select the reset option, or here select the reset. After resetting, close out of here. Hopefully this can able to resolve a problem, but if still don't works for you this solution, let's move on to the next solution guys. For that, we just want to go to search menu and type Windows Powershell. You just need to right click on it and select run as administrator. And select as. Now we are just going to reinstall the Windows security guys. For that, you just need to copy the first command used in my video. Just need to copy it. I'm just given in my description. Before the star, you just want to copy it and tap the bar, Control V, paste it in, press enter. You just want to type A and press enter again. That will be confirmed. And you just want to copy the next command in my description. Copy it. You just need to copy it with the Control C and paste with Control V. Press enter guys. This will take a little bit time. You just need to wait for it. This will complete little bit more time to take it. You just need to wait for it and complete it. After finishing this, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC and check whether your problem has been resolved or not. If you still having a problem, we are going to reset the Windows security certification guys. For that, you just want to open up Windows Powershell again, and you just need to copy the description command and paste it in guys with Control V and press enter. And so this will reset the Windows security certification, and hopefully this can also able to resolve a problem. But so if you have computer any kind of infection, corrupted files, it will be automatically fixed. For that, you just need to go to search menu and type CMD, right click on it, select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this command, guys. So this command will take some time to finish it. This is file checking utility scan, guys. After finishing this command, you just need to copy the second command in my video description. Just need to paste it in and press enter. This also need to get some time to finish it, guys, so wait for it till this done. After finishing this, you just want to close out of here and go ahead and restore the PC and your problem will be resolved. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.